The Tenere700 became a popular mid-sized adventure in Europe. Now his appearance will be even more enduro vintage, with the unit garage body kit from Italy for the Yamaha Ténéré700. Yamaha Ténéré700, the adventure bike that is considered to be the most capable ever launched from the Team Blues assembly line. Designed for navigating footpaths and gravel roads. Despite the meaning of the Yamaha Ténéré700, Unit Garage, a world-renowned custom and aftermarket specialist based in Italy, insists that this bike has enduro-inspired roots, stylized to look like a vintage rally enduro bike. This bolt-on body kit can transform the look of the Yamaha Ténéré700 and give it new life as a modern interpretation of machines like the 465 from 1981, a motorcycle considered by many to be one of the most iconic enduros in Yamaha's lineup. The kit is offered unpainted or painted in classic blue and midnight black. LED headlamps, complete fairing with all mounting and support hardware, decal kit, new front turn signals, front high mount fender kit, a new set of side panels, and new aluminum radiator guard. Fasteners and a video with assembly instructions are included with the package. Plus, according to Unit Garage, the kit is lighter than the OEM components,